Hello friends, welcome to our channel Sproutin' Season. Today I wanted to make some laundry detergent with you all. I just happened to notice that we're running really low, so I've been meaning to make this for a while, and I finally bought a bottle of this good stuff called pure Castile soap. And I'm sure you've heard of it. This one is called Whole Naturals Nature's Gold. And, you know, I'm sure you've heard of Dr. Bonner's. I do have a small bottle of that, but I wanted a bigger bottle for my household uses because I think it would, you know, not only save us money, but, you know, you can make things yourself without all the harsh chemicals in it, okay? So, this Castile soap contains argan oil, jojoba oil, hemp oil, almond oil, and prickly pear oil. They're all certified organic oils. Okay, so that got my attention, and it has a lot of uses. You can make, you know, like we're gonna do today, laundry detergent. You can use it as a body wash or hand soap. Shaving, fruit and veggie wash, multi-purpose cleaning spray, shampoo, and even pet shampoo, which I think would be, you know, really good to use on pets. You know, they say that this stuff is a lot more gentle on their skin, especially for dogs that have, you know, like itchy, irritated skin. And this stuff is supposed to work really well, and it doesn't take much. It's only a little bit, goes a long way. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start making this. This is the unscented. You can buy different Castile soaps out there with different scents, and I also got this from Amazon. Okay, you can go on Amazon and find all different kinds. And this bottle right here, I believe is, I think it's only half gallon. But anyway, this costs $28, I believe. Yes, it's half a gallon, 1.9 liter. But again, you know, you can go online and, you know, just look for a pure Castile soap. And this unscented is what I prefer. You can always add essential oils to the soap, like for your laundry detergent. But you know, and if you prefer not to put any scent, some people are very sensitive to their skin, then don't add any. But anyway, so I've already turned the stove on. We're gonna boil 4 cups of water into our pot here. It's already been on, that's why it's like that, you know. And I forgot to mention, get that water boiling, and then we're gonna add some super washing soda. It asks for washing soda. Now, I have seen on some YouTube videos where you can make your own out of baking soda, but you know, it wasn't a problem for me to get this extra, you know, stuff. So you're gonna add that, and also baking soda and kosher salt. And it gives you the directions on the bottle. So boil 4 cups of water and slowly dissolve 1/2 cup of washing soda, okay? And then you add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, okay? And then once you get that dissolved and then cooled, you allow it to cool, then you're going to add 12 cups of water. And then you slowly stir in this Castile soap, and that's gonna be 1 cup. All right, so it's already boiling because I had the stove on. So we're gonna go ahead and add our Laundry Booster Super Washing Soda. Okay, I got half a cup here I'm about to pour in there. We're gonna add our baking soda, and that's 1/4 teaspoon. So this little one here. And then we're gonna add the kosher salt, and I believe that's also 1/4 teaspoon, yes. I'm not quite sure what the salt is for, but I'm just following the directions there. Okay, so everything needs to be dissolved. And it looks like everything's already dissolved. So we're gonna turn it off and we're gonna let this cool, okay? Just like the directions say. And then once it's cooled, then we're gonna add our Castile soap. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I do have a larger container, but it's out in storage. When we moved, a lot of things were left in storage in our storage shed. So this is what I have for right now, and I don't think that the full amount that we're gonna make is gonna fill or is going to all fit in just this one container. I'm not quite sure what size this is, but make sure you have a large enough container, okay? So I'm gonna have to probably split it into two, but you need a container or maybe something with a spout so that, you know, you can just pour it into your cup when you do your laundry. And I believe when you do your laundry, I'm not sure if it's half cup or 1/4 cup. Let me see. So you're gonna add, yes, 1/2 cup per load, okay? So just make sure you have enough to fill a big container, or just, you know, have two, okay? The water has already cooled our mixture here. So we're gonna go ahead and add 12 cups of water, okay? And it's this is a 4-cup measuring cup, so it's 3 of these. Oh, and guess what, y'all? I found my container, my large container over there. It's got a spout on it. So that's the one I was talking about. You can use one of these, and I think I got this at Walmart. And they have them there, you know, for beverages. Okay, and then you're gonna add 1/2 cup of this Castile soap. That's about a 1/2 cup right there. And we're gonna put it in our mixture. So I suppose this is a good time to add any essential oils. And I would probably add a few drops, but you know, it doesn't say on here anything about adding essential oil, but I mean, like for hand wash, I believe it says, no it doesn't. Okay, like right here for a facial cleanser, you can add 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. So, you know, I wouldn't do too much, okay? But just a few drops, and I think that should be it. But that is basically it. So then we're gonna pour this into here. You just take your, you know, add like 1/2 cup of this, to your laundry. That's it. Add it to your load of clothes.